Over here? Or which way?
Oh, it's that way.
Oh shit. That's not good.
Like, go down here, and left, and then that stop sign.
Which way?
Or no, there's, right after the speed bump, there's a left, and it's down there, like, by Subway. What are you doing, dude? What the fuck is wrong with you? I'm about to knock you out, man.
Oh, okay, we're making it into a prank video. Alright, sweet. Thanks, man. Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah, okay. What? We can...
Yeah, it's just easier to cough when it's not on.
What? What? Why? What? What are you doing? Dude, seriously. Man, don't make me angry, dude. Go on, man. Get the fuck out of here, dude. Seriously, go. Dude, seriously. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Go on now. Hey, I'm just making. No, I'm not sick.
You're coughing on me.
It's hard to breathe in this thing. You try coughing. Here, look. Just put it on. Come here. You put it on. Yeah.
No, I'm not putting that on.
Why?
Because you're wearing it. You're obviously sick.
Hold on real quick.
What are you doing here? Which one? What? Just wait.
Okay, I'm not touching your hand.
Oh, yeah.
Nothing against you, just you just sneeze in your hand. I'm not gonna touch it, alright?
Okay.
Stop. If you don't want to get hit in the face, walk away.
No. Don't hit me.
Dude, don't touch me.
What?
What the fuck are you doing?
What do you mean?
What's the point of this?
What do you mean? Just okay, I'll get
Dude, you're coughing.
No.
You're trying to touch me. Don't fucking touch me.
I'm not gonna. I wasn't
Dude,
trying to
walk
touch
away.
you. I wasn't.
Dude.
What?
Were you hit in the face with this?
No one hit me.
pretty heavy.
You're so big though. Huh. All right, I'll see you. Thanks, man. Ah! Ah! Hey, we're making a prank video. I'm not sick. It's water.
I have pneumonia. No, it's fine. Yeah? I'm sick.
If you touch me one more time, then I'm gonna fuck you up, alright?
Yeah, alright. Sorry. Just. We're making a video. I'm not sick. Don't worry. I'm just fucking with you. I'm not sick, but can we use your reaction? Do you care? It's just for YouTube. That's what we're trying. That was like the second good reaction we had. Is that? Do you have a wristband? Subscribe.